today here we are in Physioline. Here we have today Mr. Dinesh Asher and his daughter Kathy Asher and his Mrs. Asher. Mr. Dinesh Asher was suffering from paralysis, stroke, where he was suffering very badly. Now today we will be discussing with him regarding his overall experience with the Physioline. Hello, Mr.
Hello.
So tell us your complete story to our listeners.
સ્ટોરીમાં એવું છે કે દરેક વ્યક્તિને આ જો બીમારી કયો કે ગમે કયો પણ પ્રેક્ટિકલ રહેવું જ પડે આફ્ટર 50. અને હું એ વખતે આજે બી એટલું જ માનું છું કે તમાકુ જે છે એ આનું કારણ હોઈ શકે. અને હું બેહોશ થઈ ગયો, 3 મહિના થઈ ગયા. પછી મારી ડોટર અને વાઈફ ખ્યાતિ એન્ડ હર્ષા આ બંને મને પ્રેક્ટિકલ ધ્યાન રાખેલી છે. અને એનું એક્સપ્લેનેશન જે આગળનું છે મારા બેહોશ થઈ ગયા પછી એ ખ્યાતિ આપશે.
Hi, actually the story goes, I wasn't at home. My mother was there with my father alone. My father got this attack since he was suffering from high blood pressure. So my mom was there. He just vomited and he was out. He didn't know anything. And then when I came back, the physician came home and he said probably he's suffering from stroke. So at that time he had a lot of weakness in his body and he was admitted to Kokilabin Dhirubhai Ambani Hospital. But there his BP was controlled and he was there in the hospital for around 2 weeks. After 2 weeks when he came home, his BP was totally under control with his medicines and all, but his physical ability to walk and everything was totally gone. He was lying in one place and it was very difficult for me and my mom to handle him because even his alertness was not as good as before. You know, he couldn't really figure out what is happening around him. Because of high BP, that the clot that he had in his brain, the doctor said that it will take 2 or 3 months to get out of it. Now, when he was discharged from the hospital, the doctor said that he needs good physiotherapy. And the physiotherapy that was there in the hospital was not that good. They were giving physiotherapy for around 15 minutes to half an hour, which was minimal. It was not really, when I saw him walking and all, he was putting a lot of pressure. He had lost his independence totally. So when he came home, I searched on the internet, I asked some of my friends and they suggested me that you should consult Dr. Sanjay Bakshi at Physioline. I think they will be of great help to you. So I did contact Mr. Sanjay Bakshi and the response was very prompt. He came home and he explained me everything. I showed him the reports, what exactly had happened, and he told me the treatment will take 3 months. And immediately his treatment was started, and while the treatment was going on, there was just one person, Dr. Sanjay Bakshi, during the whole time of the treatment was constantly in touch with the patient as to what is happening, and everything was according to what was said. And after whatever has happened today, my dad is back to what he was, and I'm really happy about it.
इवन मुझे जो अनुभव हुआ उसमें संजय बख्शी बहुत ही मेहनत किया और एज पर डेट वाइज जो इम्प्रूवमेंट होते गया उसके लिए मैं बहुत ही आभारी हूँ. फिर भी मेरी वाइफ भी 2 शब्द बोलेगी.
मैं यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि संजय बख्शी वजह से इनको बहुत ही ठीक है, इनकी जो हालत थी और अब वो चल फिर सकते हैं, मैं इस बात की खुशी है।
How do you rate all treatment?
I think it can be rated excellent.
And any message to Dr. Sanjay Bakshi?
Yes, I would like to tell Dr. Sanjay Bakshi to continue with the same spirit that he has and innovate his equipments that he has, like Mentamove and eCell and all these things. I think they are really good. For my dad had a lot of improvements, so probably with the coming years, I wish him all the best with new improvements and new equipments.
Whatever the treatments we provided, okay? So you were happy with the treatment protocols?
Yes, very happy with the treatment protocols, and plus there was a lot of human factor also involved. It was just not machines. It was like my dad, when he came, he was not physically stable as to, he used to vomit a lot, and also, you know, even as a doctor, Dr. Sanjay Bakshi helped a lot, like you can give him electrolytes or whatever, and he told us that you can call me any hour of the day if you have any problems. So it was just not the machine part that my 2.5 hours are over, so this is it, now please don't disturb me after that. It was like, you know, we can tell him anytime, anywhere, like, you know, this is the problem we are having. So we had a total support after the hospital. We were not like totally left alone.
Or any message to patients those who are suffering from stroke and paralysis?
Yeah, first of all, I would like to say that stroke and paralysis happens because of a certain lifestyle that you follow. Like, I think the main cause for it is emotional stress, and sometimes we Indians, we have this habit of not doing a total health checkup after the age of 40. That is what I came to know when I went to the hospital, and I said, how come it happened to my dad all of a sudden? Like, he hugged me before going to work, and when my mother tells me that he's not well, all of a sudden he's done how come? So he's like, it's your fault, you know, you have to make your parents understand that after the age of 40, every individual needs to do a total health body checkup, as to check your sugar, your BP, your blood test. These are the 3 main things that you have to do. So now my dad was suffering from high blood pressure. So probably if he would have known before, he wouldn't have reached this stage if he would have taken his medication. And plus also, yes, tobacco was the cause of it. So these are 2 or 3 main things that you need to curb in your lifestyle so that you don't reach this stage.